What's happening in the world of commodities? For that, let's go to Manisha. Manisha, Iran was the big story yesterday, but today it's history.
Well, sure is. 24 hours and a lot has changed, and the market is reading into the fine print as well. After $3 of decline in the crude prices yesterday, you have seen steady moves coming in, especially they had slipped on Iran deal yesterday. Iran has agreed to curb its nuclear program facilities there, and you have seen a 6-month agreement coming into picture, which would offer nearly 7 billion relief to Iran from all of these sanctions. But having said that, remember these sanctions had come in 2012, and that has deprived Iran of nearly $80 billion in revenue. So $7 billion in that sense comes out as a very small number. Having said that, market also feels that it would take 3 to 9 months for Iran to recover the lost production. There also are reports out from Goldman Sachs and Barclays which say that Iran exports would remain unchanged for the next 6 months. So there is no huge supply coming into the markets. The premium still stays, and that's the reason you have seen buying come back in case of crude prices. Also, apart from that, the Iran oil exports are still banned in US and European Union and other world powers as well. So there's no major supplies coming in because of that in that market too. Apart from that, some bit of a support also in prices is coming because of the fact that the markets are expecting the US weekly inventories to gain up in this week to decline in this week rather after gaining in last 10 weeks, and that's another reason that you have seen support coming in for the prices. While it really is a short-term phenomena right now, for the longer term, most of the brokers still feel that you might look at some more bearishness coming in for the prices. There is a report out from Citigroup, and they are putting Brent crude prices to average at $98 per barrel in 2014.
Crude oil market in the short term is very unpredictable because one-off events have a big impact. But from a medium to long-term point of view, supply and demand are going to be the determinants of the market. We see that supply increasing substantially over a period of time because people have been investing in new technologies. And also there is substitution between oil and gas, and as all of us know, there's plenty of shale gas available globally. There are some bottlenecks in terms of transportation, but they are being resolved over a period of time. So we expect a downward shift in energy prices from a medium to long-term point of view, and that should benefit India being a very big importer of energy products.